All right, so we're going to talk about proportions of the face, and we're going to start talking about how you draw an eye, a mouth, and a nose. So we can kind of start getting a little bit more technical in this area. Okay, so as you can kind of see, your face is broken down into different sections. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to first start by taking this, and we're going to measure. So we're going to take this part right here, we're going to measure it over, and we're going to go over. Okay, so why am I doing this? Because this has sliced your face right in half. So I'm going to measure this and measure it out. Then we're going to draw the other side of the face by matching what we got over here. Okay, so we're going to just spend some time, and we're going to just do this, all right? So our lips, we're saying that they come up and down. Our lips tend to match up with right above. So you see how the eye line, by the way, is halfway. Your nose line is 1/4. So this 1/8 right here, your lips are actually a little bit above, okay? So we're going to put that there. That's the funky lips, okay? Your nose, all right, kind of works with your eyes. So let's go looking with our eyes. So our eyes are about 5 across. So let's kind of continue this eye. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. Okay. So the other eye is going to fall into right here. Now we're just going to kind of copy. It's fine. Okay. We know where this goes. Eyebrow kind of cuts off right here, goes up, and angles down. Now you notice where this goes, a little bit past the eye, a little bit past the eye. Beautiful. Nose. Where the pupil, okay, is straight down is where that nose, so here, good with the eye. Nose in between, good. Right there. Okay. What else do we need to, oh, the hair. Okay, so it's almost like we're cutting half of this, and we're going back, up, and around. That's the hairline, okay? Now, it may seem a little bit off on one side, so maybe I went a little bit too wide, and you can always adjust. Ears tend to go in line with the eyes, okay, and go to the nose, so we now know where everything is. Actually, this looks a little weird, so we're going to put the pupil in. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, I forgot the neck. So the outside of your eye, down and curve. Okay. Now, kind of know where things are placed. All right. We kind of looked at that last year. Now we're going to start working on what do eyes look like. So let's shift over. Whoop. Okay, and we're going to zoom in just a little bit. There we go. Generic eyes. Okay. Look like footballs, okay, in a way. They tend to arch up and they come down. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice this 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, just so we can get it. And then if you need to go back into your sketch over here and put them in a little bit better, absolutely. All right, so let's see. We're going to start off with our shape, kind of like a football shape, almost like an almond shape. Your eyes, the circle, we don't see the whole thing. That's the iris part, that's the color, okay? And then we see the pupil. Couple things is you gotta shade in the color part, okay? And then just put in a few little eyelashes by the way. You put the crease in. Not bad. Try flipping your eye so it's the other way too, okay? Nose. Pretty simple. That. Almost like little curves. 1, 2. Okay. Here. Down and around. Okay. Now, what they do is they add some shading to make it appear that it comes out. It's not like they're drawing it, they're just shading it. That shows that you have some depth there. All right, go ahead and draw a few more noses. Now the generic mouth, very simple, okay? Start with your line, but the way I do it is I tend to put an oval here and 2 circles. 1, 2, and then you just erase. Okay. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to practice doing 3 different lips. Okay. Oh, and you got a shade underneath this. There we are. Okay. Just so you know how to start working on your basic shapes for your faces. Okay. Good job.